If you're in the need for some fast, simple recipes for your next summer gathering, look no further. Today I'm going to show you my chicken thigh skewers. So the first thing you want to do is I have 12 skewers. These are a bamboo skewer that I have soaking in water. You want them to soak for about 30 minutes at least. This way when you grill, they won't burn up on you. So we're gonna make our marinade for our chicken. Here I have a tablespoon of chopped ginger, tablespoon of turmeric, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 2 scallions chopped up, teaspoon of mint chopped, and a teaspoon of fresh cilantro, a teaspoon of soy sauce, a 1/4 cup of fish sauce, and 2 cloves of garlic chopped. We're just gonna mix that all up. Now what I have here are chicken thighs that are skinless and boneless that I've cut into 3 pieces. So that's gonna go right into our marinade. I kind of find that chicken thighs they get neglected a lot. But I find that they are so juicy and tender, especially when you grill them. All right. So now what I'm gonna do is just remove my skewers here, and we're gonna skewer them. And a great way to round off this meal too is maybe skewering some vegetables, which is really nice addition to add to the grill. These are going to take about 6 to 8 minutes on a grill that's preheated at high temperature. Now I'm going to pull these other ones right off the grill. Beautiful, nice grill marks on them, caramelization. There they are, grilled Thai chicken skewers. So for more summer recipes, go to dinnertool.com.